Before we start this video, just a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. It's for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research before using paid tools or making financial decisions. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore, it's a tool set. And if you know which tools to use, you can save 10 to 20 hours per week, make more money with less effort, and automate tasks that used to require a full team. But most lists just repeat the same 3 tools you already know. So in this video, we're diving into real AI tools that people are using right now to save time and create income in 2025. With no fluff. Stick around to the end. A few of these are severely underrated. Let's start with the king. ChatGPT is still the most versatile AI tool in 2025, especially if you use the paid version with custom GPTs. How people are using it to make money writing blog posts, product descriptions, newsletters, building entire faceless YouTube scripts, writing cold email sequences that convert, automating customer service or sales replies, even helping with legal copy or proposal formatting. Time saved. Easily 10+ hours a week if you use it right. Pro tip, combine it with Zapier or make.com to auto-generate content based on form inputs or spreadsheet triggers. You're watching a video made with it. InVideo lets you paste in your script, choose your voice, auto-generate scenes, music and timing, and export in minutes. People are using it to run faceless YouTube channels, sell video services on Fiverr, create explainer content for clients, and make lead generation videos for businesses. Time saved, 3 to 5 hours per video. Money potential, YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, or freelance work. If you need longer form content or marketing copy, Jasper still leads. It's trained for high-converting ad copy, landing page funnels, email sequences, product descriptions, and brand voice matching. Use it to write ad copy for clients, optimize Etsy or Amazon listings, and speed up blog writing with better tone and structure. Pro tip, combine Jasper with Surfer SEO for blog content that ranks and converts. Need a website in 60 seconds? Durable uses AI to generate an entire website with branding, copywriting, SEO sections, contact forms, and even an AI assistant for edits. How people monetize this: sell sites to freelancers or small businesses, build landing pages for affiliate products, create portfolio templates, and resell them. Zero coding needed, time saved, 5 to 10 hours per site. Money earned, sell for $100 to $500 or more per project. Claude is OpenAI's main competitor, and it's better than ChatGPT for handling long documents. Use it to summarize PDFs and white papers, extract key data from 100+ page reports, quickly prep content for YouTube or newsletters, and do research 5 times faster than traditional Googling. If you create content for finance, education, or law, this is gold. Time equals money. Claude gives you both. Creating blog content that actually ranks is still hard, unless you use KoalaWriter. This tool does keyword research, competitor analysis, and fully formatted articles. It also provides SEO-optimized titles, H2S, and structure. It's great for affiliate sites, niche blogs, review roundups, and local service pages. Use it to build small sites that make money from affiliate links or ads, with minimal effort. Want voiceovers that sound human, without hiring anyone? ElevenLabs offers ultra-realistic AI voice cloning. It's great for YouTube videos, audiobooks, ads, or brand intros and podcasts. How creators use it: they sell voiceover packages, create their own explainer videos, and generate multiple languages without new recordings. You can even clone your own voice and license it, or use public ones with commercial rights. You already know Notion is powerful, but Notion AI makes it next level. Use it to build productivity templates, generate auto-filled client trackers, clean up writing or translate notes, and auto-populate documents from data tables. Creators are now selling AI-powered Notion planners, business operating systems, content calendars, and journaling templates. Time saved, hours of admin or formatting. Monetization: sell Notion kits on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own site. If you offer any kind of service, coaching, consulting, creative, booking and scheduling is a nightmare. TidyCal, with AI suggestions, lets you auto-schedule based on calendar gaps, suggest meeting types, send confirmations and reminders, and offer paid calls via Stripe. Combine it with AI-generated proposals or welcome packets, and suddenly your client onboarding is 90% automated. More bookings mean more revenue and less chaos. Think of it like Google, but smarter. Perplexity gives you direct answers with source links, a breakdown of any topic, summaries of trending news or research, and citation-friendly responses you can verify. Use it to research YouTube videos, summarize breaking news, answer client questions, and prep Twitter threads, blog posts, or slideshows. It's your mental shortcut for fast, accurate insights. Opus Clip uses AI to automatically turn long-form videos into short-form content, with captions, cuts, and viral hooks baked in. You don't need to manually edit anything. The AI finds highlight moments and repackages them for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Monetize it by selling short-form editing services, promoting affiliate products, and growing your channel faster with repurposed content. Time saved, massive. Impact, even bigger. Taskade is like Notion, Trello, and ChatGPT rolled into one. You can generate AI-powered workflows, turn client systems into reusable templates, and collaborate across teams with automations. How it makes money: sell your productivity systems, build a productized service agency, and offer AI-optimized onboarding systems to teams or solopreneurs. It's not just about managing tasks. It's about building scalable systems you can monetize. Want the real power? Stack 3 to 5 of these tools into a workflow that saves time and creates value. For example, ChatGPT writes your content, InVideo turns it into a video, ElevenLabs narrates it, Koala optimizes the blog version, and you promote via newsletter or Notion dashboard. This is how smart creators are multiplying their output, without burning out. The tools are here. Now, it's just about putting them in the right order. AI tools won't make you rich by themselves, but if you use them the right way to save time, scale smart, and create systems, they can change your income and your lifestyle. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if even one of these tools made you pause or take notes, like, share, subscribe for more. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before using any AI tools, investing in subscriptions, or offering services.